So I am cooking dinner tonight for my parents. I am making meatballs, turkey meatballs, and a tzatziki sauce. So follow along and let's get cooking. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking dinner with me. That whole meal took about 25 minutes start to finish to prepare. Super fast, super easy, and was gone in 2 minutes. So recipe is in the description box. I really hope y'all enjoyed.